Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I'm going to scrapbook these two photos of my grandson. So I'm going to start by putting those on that navy dot paper from Echo Park. It's the Hello Winter collection, and that's the chilled stripes paper because there are stripes on the back. Those two photos are of him doing a virtual school Zoom meeting with his class. He's in 4K this year and they don't meet every day, or I think his brothers, they do virtual school, or when this was going on, they did it 4 days a week. They don't do that with little 4K guys because they just, their attention span isn't long enough to do that. So then I'm going to take this red paper and I just cut off, there was a partial row at the top there. I just cut it off so I have whole trees here. And that paper is the Echo Park Celebrate Winter Blizzard paper. And then I'm mounting it on that background paper that is the burlap paper from Celebrate Winter, and it's the Cozy Mittens paper. And then I added that ruler there. That's a sticker from Echo Park Back to School. It's the element stickers. And I decided to add that because this is really a layout about school as much as it is about the snowman that he's building. And the fact that he's at home doing school now, or at that point. They were back to school, I think 2 weeks after this in early January. So I wanted to get a school feel plus a wintry feel. So I added that chipboard snowman there. He is from Echo Park Celebrate Winter, the chipboard accents. And then I grabbed that Bella Boulevard arrow because I want you to kind of look at, he's holding the snowman that he made out of Play-Doh. And that arrow is from Bella Boulevard, the Star Student Chow Chip icons chipboard accents. And then I'm going to use that sticker of the penguin and the snowman. That's from the Echo Park Celebrate Winter element stickers as well. So that's just kind of enforcing the snowman theme here. So I used a couple of the snowmen that I had. And then, you know, really calling attention to what he's holding there. So I do have this school sticker, and that's from the Photo Play School Days element stickers, as is that homework banner on the right that I have stuck to the edge there. And because it's school, I want to kind of emphasize that, but it's not working in, didn't work with either of those two clusters. So I put it at the top. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to use that with the title. So then I'm taking that homework sticker and then that Cheers die cut from Echo Park I Love Winter from the ephemera pack there. I'm going to put those together. And it says Cheers homework, which isn't like not doing cheers for homework, but I guess sort of anyway. Was trying it on the left there, but of the snowman, but I didn't like it. It was like not fitting properly and covering up too much of the ruler. And I already have so much of the ruler cut up that I want you to see as much as you can on that left side. So instead I decided to put it on the right side, and I actually like it much better here. So I was just tapping up there, because that's where I'm thinking I want to put my title. Then I also need a place for journaling. That I've just realized that I don't have any journaling spot. So I'm going to my LE Studio box of like labels and things like that I cut apart, or you know, come in die cut packs. And I find this blue one that's a longer piece, and I like how it runs under the snowman and under the other two pieces, and that just I just like how that looks all together there. All right. Now I'm just adding that all in again. And that'll give me, I don't have a lot to say about this, but just, you know, a little bit. I'm trying to, when things like this happen that are really different from what their school is going to hopefully look like going forward, I want to try to make sure that I get that documented, especially for him, because 4K is different than any other, or 4K kindergarten, or it's like a pre-kindergarten class. It's different than kind of any other one. And then on top of it, you add a pandemic to it. And they were in school a fairly good portion of their year. So now I want to call this building a snowman. And I'm just kind of playing with some letters here. And I didn't like the first one. I liked the size of it, but I didn't really like it. And then this S here, it just doesn't feel like it has enough presence. And so I find this red alpha, and it's a glitter alpha from American Crafts. It's the Thickers in Reindeer. So then I can spell out the word snowman here. And I will go back after this video is over. I actually did go back after the video was over, and I glued the word snowman down just because I don't trust thickers. You know, they glue themselves to things when you don't want them to, but otherwise they won't stick. And then I have to use a U, but the U and the N are the same in this set. That's a good MacGyvering tip. And then I'm going to use, I love these. These are the American Crafts Thickers in Happy Life. It says really great navy font. I might have a couple sheets of these because I love them so much. I think they were from Paige Evans, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember what collection though. It's been quite a while. I think I found an extra sheet somewhere, or 2 extra sheets, so I bought the 2 extra sheets that were there because I love them so much. And then they had white on the back of them. And it's just a nice font for small titles, but really great for subtitles like this. So it now reads Building a Snowman. And then I want to add some enamel dots here, but instead I'm going to use these from Pebbles. They're just Pebbles puffy stickers from one of the Americana collections. And I'm going to add dots and red and blue to just distribute a little bit more of that color around. And I do like how, you know, this is basically a red, white, and blue layout, but then you kind of add the brown to it and it kind of changes it, the brown from the ruler. And his snowman is blue with a red scarf, so the blue and red totally made sense. But plus, I often think of blue and red for winter for some reason, like a lot of blue and white and then a little accent of red. All right, you guys, here next will be the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.